Microsoft and its partners continue to introduce new features in the Power BI desktop app at what can be best described as a blistering pace. There are new capabilities in reporting, analytics, modeling, custom visuals, and data connectivity. The list is way too long to cover in the time that we have, so I'll tell you about one that stood out for me. The ability to expand and collapse individual matrix row headers is something I've been waiting for. It turns out that I'm not the only one, as this has been one of the most requested features in the Power BI virtual suggestion box. There are two ways to expand and collapse row headers. The first is through the right-click menu. You'll see options to expand the specific row header you clicked on, the entire level, or everything down to the very last level of the hierarchy. You have similar options for collapsing row headers as well. You can also add plus and minus icons to the row headers through the formatting pane under the Row Headers card. Once enabled, the icons work like the expand and collapse functionality in Excel pivot tables. By default, the icons will match the formatting of the row header, but you can also customize the icons' colors and size separately if you so desire. Be sure to check the transcript and resources guide for information on where you can go to learn more.